Hello students, welcome to Standard 6 Mathematics Digital class. We continue with lesson number 9, HCF and LCM. Let's take a recap. What you have learned in previous video, common factors, HCF, that is highest common factors, and what do you understood students? To find the HCF of given numbers, we make a list of the factors of the numbers and find the greatest of the common factors. Let's learn lowest common multiple. Observe the picture. She is Rehana and she is Annie. Rehana and Annie are making garlands of flowers. Both have to be given an equal number of flowers in their basket. See students, baskets are with them. Rehana, she is making garland of 6 flowers, and Annie, she is making garland of 8 flowers. So, what is the minimum number of flowers we should put in their basket? See here, Annie's basket and this is Rehana's basket. So, how many flowers we should put in their basket? Rehana, she want flowers in multiples of 6. And Annie, she want flowers in multiples of 8. So, multiples of 6 are numbers that are divisible by 6. So, let's write the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78. Now write multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Now find out common multiple. See here, 24 is common, 48 is common, 72 is common. Let's write common multiples. 24, 48, 72. So students, 24 is the lowest common multiple. LCM, lowest common multiple is 24. So students, what do you mean by LCM? That is lowest common multiple. The LCM of two numbers cannot be bigger than their product. To find the LCM of the given numbers, we write down the multiples of the given numbers and find the lowest of their common multiple. Let's start practice set 25. Question number 1. Find out the LCM of the following numbers. The first example is 9 and 15. So write multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. Multiples of 15. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135. Now find out common multiple. See here, 45 is common, 90 is common. So write common multiples. 45 and 90. 45 is the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple is 45. So write the answer in the box. LCM is 45. Now Next example, 12, 28. Let's write multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. Now write multiples of 28. 28, 56, 84, 112. Find out common multiple. See here 84 is common. Write down common multiple 84. The lowest common multiple is 84. So the LCM is 84. Always students write the answer in the box. Now let's move on question number 2. Solve the following problems. So these are the word problems for you. Question number 1. On the playground, if the children are made to stand for drill, either 20 to a row or 25 to a row, all rows are complete and no child is left out. What is the lowest possible number of children in that school? So students, what is given in the word problem? Number of children in row 20 or 25. What to find out? Lowest possible number of children. So for that we have to find out LCM of 20 and 25. Write multiples of 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Write multiples of 25. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200. Now find out common multiples. See here 100 is common and 200 is common. So let's write common multiples. 100, 200. The lowest common multiple is 100. So write the answer in the box. LCM is 100. The lowest possible number of children are 100. Now let's move on question number 3, word problem. An equal number of laddus have been placed in 3 different boxes. Students, there are 3 boxes and how many laddus they have placed? We don't know the exactly number. The laddus in the first box were distributed among 20 children equally. The laddus in the second box among 24 children and those in the third box among 12 children. So students, from the first box, they have distributed laddus among 20 children. From second box, they have distributed laddus among 24 children. And from the third box, they have distributed laddus among 12 children. Not a single laddu was left over. Then what was the minimum number of laddus in the 3 boxes altogether? So we have to find out minimum number of laddus. So what is given thing? The minimum number of laddus in 3 boxes altogether. Fine. What to find out? We have to find out LCM 20, 24, 12. So write multiples of 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Now write multiples of 24. 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 170, 192. Now write multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. Now find out common multiple. See here student, 120 is common multiple among multiples of 20, 24 and 12. So write common multiple 120. The lowest common multiple is 120. So LCM is 120. Now laddus in one box is 120. And how many boxes we are having students? 3 boxes. So laddus in 3 boxes is equal to 120 multiplied by 3. 360. So there are 360 laddus altogether. So students, hope you understood these word problems and practice set 25 also. You solve practice set 25 in your notebook. So students, it's your activity time. A maths riddle. We have 4 papers. On each of them, there is a number on one side and some information on the other. The numbers on the papers are 7, 2, 15, 5. The information on the papers is given below in random order. See here students, the information is given to you a number divisible by 7. So you have to find out. Now the second one is a prime number. So you have learnt in previous standard student that 2 is a prime number. So like this you have to find out. The third one is an odd number. Fourth one is a number greater than 100. If the number on every paper is mismatched with the information on its other side, what is the number of the paper which says a number greater than 100? So students, you play a math riddle with your siblings. So myself Dipti Pathak, I am signing off. Bye bye. Thank you.